Multi-bagger stock. American billionaire and investor Warren Buffett once said that, if you aren't thinking about owning a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. The chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway strongly believed that one's favorite holding period should be forever. So, if someone wants to make money from stock market, then he or she must remember that money is not in buying and selling, but in holding. A glaring example of this is Deepak Nitrite share. This chemical stock has gone up 115 times in the last 10 years by scaling from 18 rupees and 50 paise per share levels, close price at NSE on the 19th of August 2011, to 2,141 rupees and 90 paise per share levels on the 13th of August 2021, closing price at NSE. In this week, Deepak Nitrite was under selling pressure like any other small cap or mid cap stock. But, in this period, it managed to nudge around 1% northward. In the last 1 month, the chemical stock has jumped near 9.50% after rising from 1,958 rupees and 35 paise per stock mark to 2,141 rupees and 90 paise levels. Similarly, in the last 6 months, this stock has jumped from 1,178 rupees and 80 paise per stock levels to 2,141 rupees and 90 paise mark, delivering around 80% return to its shareholders. This stock is one of the multi-bagger stocks in 2021 as it has delivered 265% return in this period. In the last 5 years, Deepak Nitrite share price jumped from 102 rupees and 50 paise per stock levels to 2,141 rupees and 90 paise mark, logging around 2,000% return in this period. However, if we look at Deepak Nitrite share price rise in the last 10 years, it shot up from 18 rupees and 50 paise per stock mark to 2,141 rupees and 90 paise levels, registering almost 115 times rise in its share price. Impact on investment. Taking cue from Deepak Nitrite share price history. If an investor had invested 1 lakh rupees in this chemical counter 6 months ago and had remained invested till date, its 1 lakh rupees would have become 1.80 lakh rupees today. Similarly, if the investor had invested 1 lakh rupees in this stock 1 year ago and had remained invested till date, its 1 lakh rupees would have become 3.65 lakh rupees today. But, if an investor had invested 1 lakh rupees in this stock 5 years ago and had remained invested throughout this period, its 1 lakh rupees would have become around 21 lakh rupees. Similarly, if an investor had gone with Warren Buffett's words holding this chemical counter for the last 10 years, its 1 lakh rupees would have become 1.15 crore rupees today.